Are you tired of managing your maintenance programs manually? Do you know that you are wasting time and resources organizing the technicians' tasks? Are you still producing reports manually?
Well, here is the solution: CMMShere. The innovative platform that allows you to manage maintenance in a smarter and easier way. It provides efficient work order management for your or your customers' facilities, improving the user experience and facilitating communication between teams for more effective task execution. Our planning and scheduling tools improve resource efficiency, reduce backlogs, inventory and overtime, and increase equipment availability. They also allow you to assign work orders with a single click and view all work on a calendar. Get detailed reports of maintenance operations to monitor performance and make informed decisions. Preventive maintenance helps you schedule routine maintenance tasks to avoid unexpected breakdowns. Our tools simplifies tracking and reporting on the history of your key assets, making it easier to optimize performance and extend their useful life. Our powerful mobile application simplifies technicians' lives by allowing them to work in hard-to-reach locations without internet connection, executing the necessary work processes. And that's not all. Now that you know some properties of CMMShere, it is necessary to put the focus on one last function which opens the door to a set of advanced features. CMMSedge IoT is a critical process monitoring platform, offering advanced functions that will help you prevent unexpected shutdowns, anticipating operational failures. The geospatial location function of the equipment provides real-time information on asset parameters and offers a hyperlink to access asset monitoring. With real-time monitoring, you can view asset parameters on dashboards instantly and have multiple options to download graphs and asset data. Use real-time alarms to receive email notifications when an alarm occurs on the asset along with details of its operating parameters. Get monthly and customized reports on asset performance without requiring the user to generate them manually. CMMSedge IoT is a versatile solution for monitoring critical processes applicable in sectors such as telecommunications, utilities, financial institutions, cement, mining and oil and gas industries. Optimizing efficiency in each of them. The power of asset management is in your hands. Take advantage of the new way to see your assets and discover a new level of efficiency and reliability for your company. What are you waiting for? Request your demo.